Jack?
What are you doing? What? There's a boy under the bed.
We're calming down the children.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Now we're going to leave.
Okay.
We're gonna leave, yeah.
Wait, isn't it supposed to be the other way around?
You have my peanuts,
No,
Jack? Are those
No.
my peanuts?
the 4 that are left are out in the kitchen.
Well, there's 2 of them here under the bed.
Oh, I think Jack's got one in his pocket too, right, Jack? Jack, don't you have one in your pocket?
No, I ate it.
Did you eat that one? Okay.
Is that my peanut? Where's the other one? Here, why don't you give me that one too? Okay,
Grandpa's not stuck anymore.
2 peanuts left.
Grandpa got unstuck.
How did he get
Put them in my
unstuck?
pocket. I got away from this guy. That's how I got unstuck. Now this guy's gonna get stuck. Stuck.
You don't scare him though.
Ah, get you stuck. What?